Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be preparing a very different biryani. I'm going to be preparing Avakkai manga biryani, or it is also called as mango chicken biryani. Now here I've prepped up all the ingredients and reserved. I've cleaned the chicken and reserved, peeled, washed and finely chopped onion, tomato, chilies, coriander, mint, curry leaves and reserved it. We need mango pickle, basmati rice. I'm using spices here, whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise, and garam masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, oil and ghee. Now I've heated a wok on medium flame. Once the wok has reached temperature, I've added oil and ghee. Allow it to heat well. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. You can also visit me on my blog for written recipes and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below this video. Now you can see once the oil has heated, I've added bay leaf and whole spices, allowed it to splutter, and then I've started to add my onion. Now I'll fry the onion till it's transparent. You can cover this and allow the onion to cook. Now once the oil surfaces on the onion, I've added chopped tomato, chilies, curry leaves, half the amount of coriander and mint, and I'm going to fry all of this till the onion softens a bit. So you have to fry all the ingredients properly in order to get a good biryani. Now I have added ginger garlic paste, garam masala, chili powder, turmeric powder. Now I'll fry all the ingredients. I'm using Everest garam masala here. So I don't have a homemade garam masala. I'm just using Everest garam masala. Now I've added yogurt. I've added a quarter cup of yogurt. Now I'll fry all the ingredients. You can add salt and fry it till it softens. Now as you can see, the gravy has formed already. Once the gravy has formed, I'll add the mango pickle. I'm using Avakkai mango pickle. Now I've added about 4 teaspoons of mango pickle along with the mango. So you can add approximately 4 to 6 tablespoons of mango pickle and you can fry this. It depends on the sour content also, because we have already added tomato. So you have to check and add. Add 3 teaspoons first, then you can add another 3 teaspoons if needed. Now I've added salt as per taste. I've fried the masala well till the oil has surfaced and then added my chicken. Now I'll fry the chicken in this masala. Now I'll place it on very low flame. I have not added any water to this chicken. I'll just cover it and cook the chicken. The chicken has to cook in this masala. You can see there is a lot of moisture that has released from the chicken. I have not added any water. Now I kept stirring the chicken and I cooked it till it's well done. Now the chicken is cooked. Wash the basmati rice. You don't have to soak it. Add the basmati rice directly. Now once you've added the basmati rice, measure and add the water. I've added approximately for 2.5 coffee tumblers of rice. I've used 5 glasses of water, nicely stirred. I've added mint and coriander. Now I'll cover and cook this for 15 minutes on low flame till the rice is done. Very low flame. Now once the rice is done, you just have to uncover. You don't have to add any lime juice, nothing. You can use some mint and coriander to garnish. Just stir it once and serve your Avakkai chicken biryani hot. This is very nice and tasty. Everybody who enjoys Avakkai pickle will really like it. Especially that mango in this biryani is awesome. Try this recipe and post your comments, friends. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.